Welcome to this practice session MCQs. Friends, this is for those people who are unable to practice through PDF. This is our institution's material, Khan Study Group. Only on I have made for the purpose of the practice, not for the other thing. So practice up to your full feel and pause video and do practice, because this book has not been published till now. Okay, let's see today's first question. Question number 23 is the first question today. Yes, consider the following statement: when the office of both the speaker and the deputy speaker fall vacant, then members of the Lok Sabha can select senior most member to preside over its proceeding. Now second option: speaker or chairman decide on question as to disqualification of members of the parliament in consultation with the election commission. Okay, pause video and choose the correct option. Hope you have chosen. Yes, here is right answer is no, neither first is right nor second. So correct answer is answer D. 23 answer D. Now next 24. With reference to the powers of the president mentioned in Indian Constitution, consider the following statement. First, it includes the power to dissolve the parliament. Second, president can appoint a commission to investigate into the condition of SC/STs and other backward classes. President's prior recommendation is necessary for the introduction of a money bill. Okay, pause video and choose correct option. Hope you have chosen. Yes, three statements are correct. It means it includes the power to dissolve the parliament. Okay, so here is correct option is option D. Option D is the correct option. Now next one, question number 25. Consider the following statements. First statement: President cannot summon a joint sitting if the bill is pending in the Lok Sabha. Okay. Second option: if the president has already summoned for a joint sitting on a bill and then the Lok Sabha is dissolved, the joint sitting will take place. Okay. (25) 1 and 3 is the correct option. First and third is the correct option. So here is correct option is 25A. A is the correct option. Okay, now next 26 question number. Consider the following statements with reference to the ordinance making power of the governor of a state in India. First statement: in the DC Wadhwa case, the Supreme Court clearly defined the emergency situations during which the governor can promulgate ordinance. Second statement: the ordinance making power is borrowed from the UK, which still exercises this power. third statement, once president's rule is imposed, the ordinance making power of the governor is transferred to the president. Okay, choose the correct option. Yes, here is correct option is only 3 is the correct option. So correct answer is the A. A is the correct option. Now next, consider the following statements. First statement, all the union territories are administered by the president. Second, the president can appoint the governor of a state as the administrator of an adjoining union territory. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Option A, only 1, B, only 2, C, both A, first and second, D, neither 1 nor 2. Okay, choose your correct options. Here is both statements are correct. Now next, with reference to ordinance making power of the president, consider the following statements. First statement, the president can promulgate an ordinance only when both the house of the parliament are not in session. It is similar to that of the president of USA. Third, it is subject to judicial review. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Okay, pause the video and choose the correct option regarding the ordinance making power of the president. Okay, hope you have chosen. Here is correct option is option is the A is the correct option. Only on 3 is the correct option. It is subject to judicial review. Now next, 29. Consider the following statements with respect to the power of president and governor in Indian political system. First statement, the president and governor enjoy equal powers in matter of disqualification of the members of the parliament and concern the state legislature respectively. Second statement, the governor enjoys the same pardoning power as that of president in all cases except in case of sentenced by a military court. Okay, pause video and choose the correct option. Here is correct option is only 1. First statement only is the correct. Now next, in which of the following hypothetical cases the president's rule can be imposed by the union government? The chief minister of Bengal, the chief minister of West Bengal declined to comply with the direction of the union to do investigation against the police commissioner of the state by the CBI. When the president is satisfied from a newspaper article that the governance of the state is not carried out in ordinance when the constitution with the constitution. Statement third, if the president is satisfied that the Chhattisgarh government is not providing the primary education to the children of the Gond tribe in Gondi. Okay, choose correct option. Here correct option is 1, 2 and 3. All statements are correct. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you friends.